Too many supply chain teams are basing decision making on fragmented data and outdated tools. I'm joined today by Jim Bough to share how he has leveraged a digital twin approach to achieve many business outcomes, including unifying enterprise data into a single trusted foundation for decision making, simulating an optimized model to discover inefficiencies and unlock new business opportunities, and driving measurable gains in inventory turns, operational efficiency, and customer satisfaction. If you're looking to modernize your supply chain and achieve these types of business outcomes, this is a great place to start. Jim, when you look across the supply chain landscape today, what opportunities do you see for improvement?
Well, Troy, biggest opportunity is getting that unified data together where you're able to see things at one single source of truth. With all the business units looking at the same data rather than trying to go out and find the data from each segment and piecemeal it together to try to figure out what story it's going to be told. Having a single source of truth gives you that historical data to really understand how you're performing and where opportunities for improvement may exist going forward.
Jim, that's a great point. Getting a real handle on your historical data is the foundation, allowing organizations to discover potential efficiency gains. A modern data architecture, including real-time intelligence, is, while not only critical for success, it's actually much more achievable in terms of cost and speed to market than most realize. So, Jim, what is an example of an optimization improvement that may be found in this new unified and automated set of data?
Well, Troy, you really have a lot to look at, but you really need to break it down into manageable chunks, right? So when you look at it and you think about your network and you have regional distribution centers that are designed to support a particular region. So when you're looking at your historical data and realizing how the product is flowing out of that distribution center, that's where you're going to replenish it. But you're missing out on some opportunities for optimization, enhancing a customer experience, and quite frankly, even lowering your cost. So while you may have one distribution center that is supporting kind of another distribution center regionally, and if you have the view of where the customer sits and how your usage is being impacted, where one region is actually supporting two instead of each region supporting and sustaining itself. So this provides you a better view looking forward with business rules on your modeling to better understand that we should have more product in the second region and we're really not giving it enough food so it can survive.
That's a perfect example of how organizations can leverage data in a simulated, optimized model and this digital twin concept in order to execute on intelligent optimization. And it's really not a far reach to achieve this type of an operational excellence initiative with today's technology platforms. Speed to market is measured in weeks now instead of the traditional months. So, Jim, for supply chain leaders watching this and who are thinking, well, this sounds promising, but I'm not sure how to approach this, what would you say to them about taking that next step?
Well, Troy, I would encourage them to reach out to Persepta and work at getting a twin model built so that they can apply the business rules that they want to use to grow their business. When we did that, in a matter of weeks, we were able to have a system with modeling, put in the business rules that we wanted to look at to optimize our system. And across 12 different distribution centers and the first quarter of the implementation, we were able to increase our turns by 2x, lower the inventory value, and decrease the stock outages. Pretty much a great success story with just the first beginning steps of starting to think globally but act locally.
Exactly. It's not about waiting for perfect conditions. It's about taking control of the data you already have, modernizing your decision making, and moving faster than the competition. Jim, great insights today. Thank you for your time. If you're watching this and looking for opportunities to improve your supply chain, but aren't sure where or how to start, Click the link below to set up a free consultation. Our team is generally able to produce initial results in your environment and with your data within weeks.